Hey guys, Yvonne here with Desert Wind Harley-Davidson, back with another Red Friday video. Red Friday is a way to support our troops who are deployed. Here with Iron Legacy MC, who is supporting Dogs Helping Heroes. And if you come in this Friday wearing red, you'll get this cool pin.
Iron Legacy Motorcycle Club has joined with Dogs Helping Heroes, a nonprofit organization that was established in 2013. They specialize in helping wounded veterans, first responders, and their families.
Alright. Cut.
I'm gonna use this for my bloopers video, so it's okay.
She does.
They're dedicated to helping, that's why I forgot.
Take 24. Action.
Hi, we're Iron Legacy Motorcycle.
Are you? Are you though?
No, just a motorcycle.
Not even a club, just a motorcycle.
From
You got this, bro.